Welcome everyone to break 118 for the 2017-18 Hockey Stars and Legends Hit Parade Hockey Box. As always, we want to check the current date and time according to eBay. Today is Sunday, May 13th. It's Mother's Day. It is 11:20 p.m. Eastern Time and 8:20 p.m. Pacific. Let's go ahead and see what we have in the break. We have E.E. Jesse with 3 spots, John Jarrah 2011 with 4, Garfield 669 with 3. We have Golfer 0724 with 1. We have Dan and a bunch of numbers with 5. Datsuki and Breaks 13 with 1. Blue Healer 8 with 3. Amy 5606 with 1. NHL Fan Club with 2. I'll Be Darned 2 with 1. Denny with 2. Scroat with 1. Davey with 2, and Tommy 6598 with 2. So how this works is I take all of you over to random.org. I'll randomize you 5 times, and after the 5th time, I'll determine your teams for the break. So E.E. and Tommy. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4. And 5, we have Denny and Golfer. Fill this in, make sure everyone is here. Looking good. Golfer on the bottom. Denny on top. You have the Denny of the Ducks, Garfield Coyotes, Dan Bruins and Sabres, NHL Fan Club Flames, Tommy with the Hurricanes, Blue Healer Blackhawks, EE you have the Avalanche and Blue Jackets, Blue Healer you have the Stars, John Jarrah you have the Red Wings, Garfield Oilers, John Jarrah you have the Panthers and Kings, then you have the Wild, John Jarrah Canadiens, Scroat you have the Predators, Dan, you have the Devils. EE, you have the Islanders. Dave, you have the Rangers. Dan, Senators. I'll Be Darned, you have the Flyers. Davey, Penguins. NHL, you have the Blues. Dan, you have the Sharks. Amy, Lightning. I don't know how they're doing against the Capitals right now if that game's not over already. Datsuki, and you have the Maple Leafs. Tommy, Canucks. Garfield, Golden Knights. Blue Healer, Capitals. And last but not least, Golfer, you have the Winnipeg Jets. We're looking pretty good against Vegas right now. Okay. Let's flip over to the box that is all sealed up. And again, all cards do go out. There should be 8 hits in here. I don't know about the Lightning. Capitals look too good for them. All empty. Okay. Let's see what we get, and good luck to everybody. First up, we have Rick Nash, Canada vs. the World Auto. Alright, so this is for Team Canada, but how this works is if Rick Nash is currently playing, which I'm pretty sure he is, it'll go to the current team. If not, it goes to who played for the longest. So Rick Nash, auto. Alright, we got a dual signatures. Jerome McGinley and Renee Bork. Both going to Calgary. Yep, Calgary. If they were two different teams, we'd randomize those two teams. Very cool. Alright, we have a Justin Falk autographed rookie jersey numbered 350 out of 799. Very nice. Didn't get focused on that. There we go. The Carolina Hurricanes. Very nice. Daniel Sedin for Vancouver. 11 out of 25 jersey. This box is loaded. Prospect combos of Brad Boyles and Ryan Getzlaf. The jerseys there. So the Cleveland Barons and the Ducks. Check that out. Even authentic memorabilia of Jaromir Jagr. You'll see the Penguins logo right on the shoulder there. This is from the All-Star game. Very cool. But this will go to the Penguins because you do see the Penguins logo there. Some packaging for us. Pretty sweet, to say. Sergei Bobrovsky, Young Guns for the Flyers. Very cool. And last but not least, oh, there we go. We have ourselves a Mary Lemieux autograph, Leaf Q 2000, looks like 15. Mario Lemieux, Pittsburgh Penguins autograph. Very nice, guys. Knew this box was loaded. Alright, let's go back and see who has what. Probably the best hockey box we've had. Alright, so let's see who has the Penguins, because you will get the what a combo. You get Jaromir Jagr and Mary Lemieux in the same box here. So the Mario auto and the Jaromir jersey from the All-Star game. Alright, so Pittsburgh Penguins will go to Davey. Congratulations. Got yourself a nice pair of cards there. Alright, let's see who has Philadelphia for Sergey. Philadelphia, I'll be darned too. Congratulations. Alright, let's grab the Daniel Sedin. So go to Vancouver. This is the 11 out of 25. Vancouver. Tommy, congratulations. Alright, then we have Carolina. Carolina, the autographed rookie jersey number, Justin Falk for Carolina. Carolina, Tommy, congratulations. So if you guys are liking this box as much as I am, like I mentioned, that Gold Rush Hockey, you're guaranteed either graded or jerseys or autos and rookies in there as well. Alright, let's see who's got Calgary. For the Jerome McGinley and Rene Bourque dual signatures. This thing did not disappoint. Alright, Calgary. NHL Fan Club, congratulations. I think you had Calgary in our last break, NHL. Alright, and then we'll do, let's see, do the Rick Nash. So for those of you who are new, which looks like a lot of you, which I appreciate that, for Team Canada, we'll look Rick up, see who he's currently on. If nobody, it'll be for who's there for the longest. If it's a tie, or randomize. It's that simple. Alright, Rick Nash. Rick Nash, NHL. I think we know where he's going. Yep, so he's currently on the Boston Bruins. So this Rick Nash will go to the Boston Bruins. Dan, congratulations. The Rick Nash auto. Very cool. Alright, and then last but not least, we have Brad Boyles and Ryan Getzlaf. Alright. So we know where Ryan's going, but to be fair, always want to look it up. Ryan Getzlaf. Okay, so we have the Ducks, and then Brad Boys NHL. Let's see, Brad. Brad played the longest for St. Louis, and he hasn't played since 2016, so he's not currently active, so this will go to St. Louis. St. Louis Blues, congratulations, NHL Fan Club. Alright, very nice. Real quick, in case you guys didn't see it, we have ourselves Mario Lemieux autograph. This was the last card they put in the box. So Very nice. So congratulations everyone who did win. Again, all cards will be shipped. And if you guys haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you know when we go live and post videos from other breaks. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. We have plenty of other listings out on eBay. And as always, thank you. We also have an Instagram. Don't want to forget that. P2J Sports Cards, where we post pictures of all the cool stuff we pull. So thank you guys. Have a great night.